students. In this session, we are discussing another important social reformer as well as religious promoter. So that is Basaveshwara. So in this class, we are discussing lifestyle of Basaveshwara and what was the teachings he did and how he motivated to peoples about the religious matters. And on that time, in which place they started to preach, on that place the peoples they face some of the religious as well as social problems. How he solved these are the problems. So these are the matters we are discussing in this session. Okay, first of all, we want to know who is Basaveshwara and which philosophy he implemented in India. So we want to know first of all who is Basaveshwara. Basaveshwara is one of the social reformer in Karnataka. Is one of the important social reformer, and he is saying he implemented one of the new philosophy in India, that is Veerashaiva philosophy. He implemented the philosophy Veerashaiva, and when he started to teach about the Veerashaiva philosophy, he used simple language, because of on that time peoples they knowing only local languages. So on this way he also, Basaveshwara also, used simple language to understand about the Veerashaiva philosophy. And on that time we can see there are so many of religious bad beliefs they practiced on that time. Some of the religious group, they started dominate to other caste or other groups. So Basaveshwara criticized the policy, religious policy. He opposed and he given one path how we can get the salvation or heaven. And he said to the common peoples, what is Veda or what is Upanishad, what is Hindu religion. Not only these are the matters, in our social system there are so many problems. There are gender discrimination, caste. He opposed these are the matters. Before that, we want to know the father and mother of Basaveshwara. Here they given father name, here they given Madarasa, and mother name here they given Madalambike. Father name Madarasa, father name, mother name Madalambike. And next we want to discuss, already I told, he opposed the caste system. So on this based, in his family, they did one of the sacred ceremony for him. That is here they given sacred thread, means Upanayana. So he is one of the important person. He opposed the caste system. So that's why he removed that one sacred thread or Upanayana. What they done is their family. That is one of the religious process in their particular family. So he removed that one because of he already basically he opposing caste system. So after that he got the some of the education about religious matters. Here they given that only, means he took the linga diksha, that only they say about linga diksha. After that he got some of the knowledge about Vedas and Upanishad and what is meant by Hindu religion and what was the main practice we want to do in Hindu religion. He understood about these are the matters. So when he got the knowledge, on this based, one of the important King Bijala, he given the post of treasury for Basaveshwara, because he is one of the talented person in that surrounding area. So that's why Bijala King, he given the post of treasury for Basaveshwara. But when he got that one post, he saw what was the problems is going on in their particular society. So that's why here they given once again. So what he did, he want to remove these are the matters. What was the social problems is going on in surrounding area, want to remove. So on this based, he not interested about money, status, and another near they given power. He not interested about these are the matters, because of peoples they practiced. There are so many social evils practiced because of they have money, they have power, and they have status. So they, on this based only they are doing these are the practice. So should not do these are the practice. Means should, if you have, these are the powers or these are the facility. So on this based only peoples they're doing these are other social evils works. He believed that like only. So he reject the post of treasury, and he reject power, status and money. And he given more concentrate or more interest, or he did more focus about what was the problems going on in the surrounding area, that is social evils. I want to stop this one. I want to give some awareness to the peoples. So these are the matters about only Basaveshwara started some religious movements or social reformation. He took some of the measurements. Here they are saying that only, here they are given that only there are so many of social and religious problems started in that particular area. So on this way he started some of the movements, social and religious movements in that particular Bijara dynasty, in that particular areas. And next one here they are saying that one, and next he is saying when he got the knowledge or enlightenment about religious matters, after that he started movement from the place of, here they given Mangala Keda. He started the movement at the place of Mangala Keda. After that, here they given next one point. Here Shiva Sharanas never discriminate anyone based on the caste, and he also said purity of Atma is only get a mukti. So when he got the enlightenment, or when he started the movement about social and religious matters, he said that what he said, Shiva Sharanas means who took that Diksha, which Diksha? Linga Diksha. They should not dominate the name of caste or based on caste, should not dominate, because all are one, all are equal. So on this based only we want to live in our society. And next one also point is said, here they are saying that only, and purity of Atma. We want to keep our Atma, means soul, as a pure. So if this like only if we started our life, we can get mukti, or here they say moksha or salvation. So when our Atma or soul is become purity, we can get heaven or mukti. So that way he started in Veerashaiva philosophy, and he started to preach to common peoples. After that he is saying once again the teachings about Veerashaiva philosophy, and he is saying self-reliance. So if you want to get a mukti or heaven or salvation, we want to do self-reliance. Which one is good? Which one is bad? Who want to take the decision? We, self. We only want to take decision, not others. Or we should not focus or should not say others matters, or should not judge others incident or others mistakes. First we want to check the mistakes of ours. So that only is saying by self-reliance. If we have self-reliance, we can attain the mukti, or here they are saying heaven. So these are one of the important points of Basaveshwara. After that, here they are saying once again, he also declared no profession more important, less important. And next one point also is said, because of on that time caste or other groups are created in our society based on the profession or based on the work. So here they say any work or any job is not more important or less important. All the job are equal. So he given one of the new thought or new slogan, that is work is worship. So he is doing agriculture work. This is one of the less work. No, he is the king, is the highest post, or is the priestly class. So they have highest post. No, that like not. All are equal. There is no discrimination based on work. So this was one of the important points of Basaveshwara's. After that, here they say, and he declared as the body is the temple. Means who are human beings are there in our society, they all are like a temple. Our body is a temple. So this only showing that one is saying all are equal, should not to dominate or should not do discrimination based on race or gender or based on caste. We want to maintain equality in our society. So that's why he said that one of the important topic or one of the important preach or teach, that is body is temple. So in this based Basaveshwara started teach to common people. Still peoples, they believing Basaveshwara's teachings. Because of what he said the matters, still some of the peoples they focus on. Because of now also we can see some of the place now also they are doing caste discrimination, or based on job they are doing some of the discrimination. So still we want to learn about the Basaveshwara's thoughts. So when we are discussing about Basaveshwara, we can irradiate these like of social evils. And next one point we are saying that only after that Basaveshwara is started one of the religious institutions, that only is saying by Anubhava Mantapa. He started Anubhava Mantapa in Basava Kalyana, present in Bidar. Why he started this one Anubhava Mantapa? Because of on that time who are they become a Linga Diksha, or who are become Shiva Sharanas, or who are they supported or they encouraged the teachings of Basaveshwara. They can together, they can meet in one place and they can discuss various problems they are facing in society. And they are not only discussing about the problems, and they are discussing about the solutions, how we can solve these are the social evils or social problems. So in that purpose for only Basaveshwara is started by one of the new institution, that one called as a Anubhava Mantapa. This one is in Basavana Bhagyavadi, Basava Kalyana, present in Bidar. So after that here they say which are the matters they discussed. Main discussion is caste discrimination, and another one is here they saying by gender discrimination based on male and female. In our society there is so much of domination. So in that purpose for also they together they started discussion. And in this discussion not only Shiva Sharanas, all the religious or who are encouraging equality, they all are participated in that session and they discussing various problems. Not only Shiva Sharanas, other caste or other religion peoples also, they also actively participated in this session or in this discussion seminars. So after that here they saying once again they generally the spiritual discussions also going on in Anubhava Mantapa. Means how we want to move our daily life based on religious matters or spiritually. So in that purpose for also they are discussing in this session. And he's saying once again he started to teach. Here they say once again we want to live our life as a transparent. So if you have our life as a transparent, we can get mukti. Means how we want to maintain as a transparent our life. Here they are saying that only extended behavior, that only internal thinking should remain clean. Here our not only external behavior or external activities, our internal thinking or internal behaviors or internal activities that also want to become a clean. So what we are showing outside, that only we want to maintain in our inside. So if this like we started our life, or if we move this like only, we can get mukti. So this is one of the important point. And next one is saying, and not only this one, and transparent state of life is the ultimate truth. Last finally is saying, if you have our life as a transparent, as means clean, that is the ultimate truth. Truth in last step. That is the last step of truth. So we want to move our life as a shape of transparent. So these like said by Basaveshwara in his teachings. After that he is saying once again, and some of the peoples they don't know the languages. So on this way he started he written some of the books or some of the poems. That only they called as a vachanas. In that vachanas they used very simple language. Because on the time common peoples they are not getting any education and they don't know any other languages. So on this way he used local language, that also simple words. Local language in simple words, because of common peoples also they want to understood about the meaning of that vachanas. So in that purpose, use simple language to understand about the vachanas. And not only here, they are saying one by one, not only Basaveshwara, here again after that, he is saying once again another point, no one by birth is not become a untouchability. Who is created these type of untouchability groups is saying by peoples or human beings. We only created by untouchability. By birth, we should not decide is a untouchable or is a other caste person, is a low caste people. No, we should not decide. By birth, they are not a untouchability. That like is saying, and who is untouchability? Who is the thinking that like here they are saying thoughts and behavior makes as a untouchability. Our thoughts, our behaviors, that only showing who is untouchability. Means we have transparent life, we are not untouchabilities. That like is saying, Basaveshwara is saying that who have internal behaviors as a attitude, they are always encouraging about caste or gender discrimination or other social evils, they are untouchables, not others. Who are they moving transparent lifestyle, they are not a untouchables. So that like he said, after that in that based some of the other peoples also they influenced by Basaveshwara's teachings and they also written some of the vachanas. We can see one by one, these like written some of the vachanas here they given one by one. First one, Allama Prabhu, Akkamahadevi, Siddharama, Molige Maraya, next one Ambigara Chodaya, Madivala Machaya, Madara Channaya, next one Aralayya and Kinnari Bommaya and others. These are the important vachanakaras who are written vachanas, therefore we are calling as vachanakaras, and they also given more importance about and what they written on that vachanas. In that we can discuss what they more of the people they focused about, what was the social evils they going on in that particular society and how we want to move our lifestyle as a transparent. So these are the matters were only they written by vachanas. And not only this one, and they always written in their particular their vachanas, we want to maintain in our society as a equal, means all are equal. So on this based vachanas and Basaveshwara, he also influenced by in our society to remove social evils and religious problems. That means we are discussed in this session who is Basaveshwara, is a father name Madarasa, mother name Madalambike, and we discussed he removed their Diksha, that only we are calling as a sacred thread, that only Upanayana. After that, he understood what was the problems is going on in our society. So on this basis, he implemented one of the new philosophy, that is Veerashaiva philosophy. So in that Veerashaiva philosophy, he said so many of teachings to the common peoples. He opposed caste system, gender discrimination, and not only this one. If you have inner purity we can get mukti. And he said work is worship, means should not decide based on the work about the caste. That also is said. After that, body is a temple. In that base he is saying all are equal. And afterwards he is saying once again, we should not say based on by birth we cannot decide about the untouchabilities, because of we want to decide based on their thoughts, based on their activities, we want to decide who are untouchabilities. So in that purpose, he established by one of the new institutions, that is Anubhava Mantapa, to decide these are the various problems, what are the social and religious problems facing in our society and how we can solve. So these are the matters about only implemented by or established by one of the new institution, that is Anubhava Mantapa. And we discussed about in this matters only, and some of the other vachanas came, vachanakaras came, and they also written some of the books. Not only others, Basaveshwara also one of the important person. He also written vachanas in a simple language, because common people they want to understand about these are the matters. So on this based vachanas or vachanakaras, they are more focused about want to maintain equality in our society. So in that purpose only Basaveshwara, and who are they followed by Basaveshwara's philosophy, they all are focused about want to maintain equality in our society. So these are the important points about Basaveshwara's religious matters and Basaveshwara's lifestyle. So next class we can discuss about next topics. Okay, thank you.